So today my presentation topic is simply like that: education versus money. So I always take the education because by education you will get the money. By education you can earn the money. But if you don't have education, you have just money, so you have nothing. You have nothing because education make you a person that everyone wants, but money never make you a person that everyone wants. Money just give you a by money everyone respect your money, but by education everyone respect your personality. That everyone wants should be that I want that type of person who is intelligent, who has knowledge. Nobody want that person who is rich. So I said that education make you the person that everyone wants. Education give you ethics. Education tell you that how to live your life like a moon. That everyone wants the moon, but no one can reach the moon. It's like that education can shine your personality. Education can make you spark, but money did not make you spark. By money, everyone respect your money. They are not loyal for you. But if you have education, then everyone will loyal for you. Everyone wants you. Everyone wants you, and everyone will get benefit from you. But by money, you can never give any benefit for anyone for the lifetime. By money, you can give some help to others. But by education, you can give as much benefit that will help them in their lifetime. So I said you education is very, very important in their life without money. Because money is just a source of fulfilling necessity. But education is the source from where we can get money, which is the source of the fulfilling necessity. By education, we will fulfill our life with a happiness, with a very, very peaceful mind. By education, we get to know that where we should talk, what we should talk. But by money, we can't get to know that what we should talk and where we should talk. By education, we get to know that how to live our life. But by money, we can never get to know that how to live our life. So it's simply like that. Education is more important than money. Thank you. That's all. Yes, you.
Okay, the girl is giving more reference to the education, not to the money. Miss, remember it. Our master is not having as much education, but still that he is improving the stuff. And one more thing, Miss, I should say you, the person who has taken the MBS, as many degrees they has taken, where they are. They are doing the job, 30,000 or the 50,000 they are earning. The person about the money you are saying over here, tell me, Miss, person should be also having money to do it. Really, when they are having money, money should be also having in a limited way. People should be having. Really, then you are having the education, but the money should be also there. Why? In a college you are going, you are saying you are like you are going, you are giving like a free island. They will not give you admission. You will take out the money. Like everywhere you have to take out the money. For the government job when you are going, what are you doing? Take outing the money. The what are you doing? The money is having the power in a world. The education is not having any, like education can improve you. Education can, like when you're learning the education, you know where to speak, like how and where that you can speak how, like in which style. But the money is there, you can show the money in any style, you can speak front of the crowd. That's the game.
Okay, as much you are saying. So our master always says the educated person is not have the high qualified degree. The educated person is that who can know that how to talk with anyone, where to talk and what you should talk to anyone. Is the thing that educated person real is a real education. And you are saying that the money by money you can talk to everyone with your style. So by money you can talk to anyone. It's not the me that by money you can hurt anyone. By education everyone wants you, but by money that everyone wants your money, not you. Means you know what is more important than the education? You know what? Talent and skill. You know, with the talent, if you have no education, you have no money, so you have a talent, so you can earn the money. Without the education, without the money, you if you have a big talent, how did Ronaldo become number one footballer? He was not having any money, he was not having any education, but he was talent. He have talent alive, so because he's number one, he have a talent about the football because now he's number one. You know, yes, I know that the education is also important, but more than education is talent. So Miss, education is directly proportional to the talent is direct proportional to the education. If you have education about that talent, then it means you have a skill and you have a talent. But if Ronaldo becomes the number one footballer, so he has the education about that how to play the football. It's the thing. If Bruce Lee become the legend, so it means that he knows that how to play a martial art, what step he should do. If Muhammad Ali become a best boxer, so he know how to use their punch in a good time and good. So it means that education is directly proportional to that education.